Hey! In front of me is CUBOT Note 9 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now choose System and select Languages and Input. Then access on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Finally, click on Theme. Over here, you need to scroll down, choose Show More and see all available ones. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you, manage key borders by clicking on this switcher and tap Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, you need to go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply by clicking on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you need to select Next, adjust the brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Finally manage key borders, choose Apply and go back. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized within a match. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!